Hi, I'm Richard Byrne. In this video, I'm going to show you a couple of quick formatting tips for your Google Docs dashboard. I was asked about this just the other day, and here's how you can make a little bit more room for yourself. When you go to docs.google.com, you have this template gallery that loads, but if you never use that gallery, kind of like I never use it, you can just click on this menu here and select Hide Templates, and that gives you more space. And if you don't like the tile view or material design view is what Google calls it, you can switch it to a quick list view, and you can get out and you can then just scroll through that way and see all your documents. So that's a couple of quick tips on how to give yourself a bit more room in your Google Docs dashboard. As always, for more tips and tricks like this, please check out freetech4teachers.com and practicaledtech.com.